In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Zoho Mail in Outlook. We'll keep this simple, clear, and quick so you can get signed in without any confusion. First, open your web browser and head to zoho.com/mail. Make sure you see the official Zoho domain before you proceed. If you plan to access it often, consider bookmarking the page so you can return to your inbox faster next time. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. On some screens or mobile devices, you might need to tap a menu icon first to reveal the sign in option. Be careful not to click sign up unless you're creating a brand new account, as that would take you through a different process. On the sign in page, you'll see several ways to access Zoho. Choose the option with the Microsoft logo. This tells Zoho you want to authenticate using your Microsoft account, which is perfect if your email runs on Outlook or Microsoft 365. Using this option lets you sign in with familiar credentials and can reduce the number of passwords you need to remember. Next, enter your Microsoft Outlook email address and password. Type carefully, especially if your browser tries to autofill the wrong account. If you manage multiple Microsoft profiles, double check that you're using the one that's linked to your Zoho Mail access. After entering your details, continue to sign in. Depending on your organization's settings, you might be prompted for multi-factor authentication. Approve the sign-in using your Authenticator app, text message, or whichever method you have enabled. If Microsoft or Zoho displays a permissions screen, review it and continue to grant access so the login can complete. After successful authentication, you'll be redirected back to Zoho Mail where your inbox should load. That's it, you've logged into Zoho Mail using your Microsoft account. If you don't immediately see your messages, give the page a moment to refresh or reload your browser tab to make sure everything syncs. A few quick tips in case you run into issues. If you get a password error, use Microsoft's password recovery options rather than creating a new Zoho password. If your browser keeps picking the wrong Microsoft account, sign out of Microsoft in that browser or use a private window to choose the correct one. And if you encounter a looping sign-in screen, clearing your browser's cookies for the site often helps. You're all set. You now know how to log into Zoho Mail using your Microsoft Outlook credentials quickly and securely.